Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to add cards, keys, tickets, and passes to wallet. Look for the add to wallet option. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection because it might help when your network connection is poor or not stable. So you must have to make sure that you are connected to a stable network connection, and after that you have to disconnect your VPN first. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. So after doing that, so there's a simple method. You just have to change your country or region and your iPhone to the country or region where the service of add cards is available. So I suggest or I recommend to use United States or United Kingdom for your iPhone, so it might be the best options. So once you have selected, you just have to go to your wallet app, then select this plus option, and you'll be able to add cards. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open your app store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account, and now you just have to simply change your country or region from here and select the same country or region with your iPhone. So you have to select United States or United Kingdom for both your Apple ID and also for your iPhone. And after that, your issue will be fixed. You'll be able to add cards to your wallet. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to install a VPN from your Apple Sport app, or sorry, Apple's Store app. So once you have installed the VPN, you will be able to add cards. So you have to install or download any VPN from your app store, and once you have downloaded, you have to connect with the country or the server in which the service is available, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.